You know that feeling when you see a car that's already insane, and someone says, yeah, but let's make it even crazier? That's Brabus in a nutshell. They've taken the already ridiculous Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE performance and built something that feels like it's cheating physics. From the factory, this AMG four-door hybrid makes 805 horsepower. Brabus? Not enough. Now it's pushing a metric 1,000. That's 986 horsepower. And an earth-twisting 1,342 pound-feet of torque, capped just shy of 1,200 so the gearbox doesn't explode. How? Brabus tore the 4-liter V8 apart, punched it out to 4.5 liters, swapped in forged pistons, a billet crankshaft, bigger turbos, and a high-flow exhaust that somehow still meets emissions regs. The numbers? 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, 124 in 9.5, 186 in 23.6. It doesn't just accelerate, it teleports. And if you're thinking, okay, it's fast, but does it look different? Oh, it does. Full carbon aero kit, front spoiler with air curtains, canards to pin the nose down, a wing balancing the rear, and a diffuser with 4 massive pipes screaming behind you. It sits on staggered 21s and 22s, dropped almost an inch on KW suspension. This isn't subtle, it's a Brabus street missile. Inside, it's pure excess done right. Quilted leather on the seats, the doors, and the trunk floor. Gloss carbon trim. Red switchgear, illuminated Brabus sills. It's not just fast, it's theater on wheels. Price tag? They're not saying, but with the base car already north of 200,000, you're easily climbing into deep six-figure territory. And if that's still not enough power for you, Brabus has the Rocket GTS, turning the AMG SL into a 1,000 horsepower shooting brake. Because, why not? Brabus doesn't build cars for enough. They build them for what's next. And this one? This is a 1,000 horsepower warning shot to every other super sedan out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe because this isn't the last time Brabus decides to bend reality a little more.